Once you get logged into your new laptop, we need to install a program called CrashPlan. And CrashPlan is the backup program that keeps all of your files from your old laptop or your old desktop. And so what we'll be able to do is pull all of that information down onto your new laptop so all of your files and folders are exactly where they used to be on the new computer. To install CrashPlan, we're going to use a program called Self-Service. So you can click on the magnifying glass here and open the Spotlight search and type in Self-Service. And when you see it there, you can either hit return or double click it. And Self-Service opens up. You'll need to log in with your usual username and password and click Login. One of the featured apps that you should see is CrashPlan. And just a quick note here, Self-Service will contain updates and programs you can install. So for example, if you needed to add Google Chrome or update it, you could just log into Self-Service and click Run. It'll take care of it for you. There's other programs you can look for here. If you need to add GarageBand or Adobe CS6, you can just click Install and those will be installed on your machine. So Self-Service is very handy. Also notice on the left side here, you've got links to the district website, the web help desk, so you can submit tickets for help for tech problems. You've got access to the tech guide, which is a website with information about printers and connections and all kinds of stuff on there. And you've got the classroom technology site, which is has to do more with resources for using technology with your students in the classroom. All right, let's go back to it. We were under featured, that's what comes up first. So you're looking for CrashPlan and you're going to click install. If you don't see it, you can type it in here and that will bring it up in the search results. So I'm going to click install and I will click install again. And you'll see there's a progress bar here and it'll download and install CrashPlan onto your computer. So I will fast forward at this point and we'll take a look at what comes next. Okay, so we've got a window up here that asks us to create your account. We don't want to create a new account because you should already have an account. So we're going to click existing account. It's going to use your username that you logged in with. If it doesn't say that, go ahead and type it in. And then type in your password. Click sign in. Okay, it says it's synchronizing the file information. You've got a progress percentage there. We'll see what happens when it finishes up. Okay, once it's done figuring out what it needs to look at here on the progress bar, what you actually want to do is go to the Restore tab. When you click on Restore, you're going to get a choice of two computers. One's going to be your old computer and one's going to be your new laptop. What you want to choose here is your older computer. And that means it's going to grab all the data from your older computer that's uploaded to the CrashPlan servers and bring all that down to your new laptop. Now what you want to make sure that you do is that you click on everything except library. So you want to uncheck the box next to library. And library has some settings that may be dependent on the previous laptop or the previous desktop and that operating system. So that can cause issues. So we won't check library, but everything else is fine. You want to make sure that these links down here say the correct thing. So you want to make sure it says most recent, current permissions, original location, and overwrite any existing files. Okay? And you just click through to make a change to what you want it to be. So most recent, current permissions, original location, and overwrite. And once you click all those things and library is not checked, click restore and it will bring everything back down to the new laptop.